everyone and welcome back to Age Perfect Beauty. My name is Vicki. I'm a professional makeup artist and hairstylist, and on this channel we discuss all things beauty related for mature women. If you happen to be new here, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Now, if you only have 5 minutes to put your makeup on in the morning, to go to work, whether you're going to the grocery store, whatever you may be doing, you want to use the minimal amount of products to get the maximum amount of results. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I apply a fast 5-minute clean polish makeup look. It's something you can do quickly yourself. I'm using minimal products. I'm going to set a timer and we're going to begin. Let's go. Okay, I've prepped my skin. I've put on some moisturizer. I put on a Clinique sunblock and I'm ready to go. So let's start our timer. 5 minutes. I'm going to apply my foundation. You can apply any foundation you like, whatever one is your favorite. And I'm going to use a Real Technique sponge just to build that into the skin. All I'm really looking for here, because we don't have a lot of time to spend blending and layering, all I want to do is just add a nice thin layer of foundation on my skin just to cover up any of my imperfections and give my skin a nice clean slate to work with. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm using NYX. And I've used this in other videos as well. It's their HD concealer, which I really love. I have to say, I go through these fads where I find a product and I just use and use and use and use and use. I'm sure there's a lot of women that are like this too. Just want to make sure that we blend well underneath the eye. I just find that some of the drugstore brands now that are, coming out with some good makeup products, really good quality compared to what they used to be. And NYX definitely is one of them. Okay, so skin's good. We're going to move on to eyebrows. And I just used 2 different products here. I used just a pencil just to add my little tail on that just came from over plucking. Whoops. Made a little mistake there. Clean that up quickly. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC pen and just fill in all the little naked spots. This doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to create more of a polished look to your eyebrows. And then I just use a brush to go through it. Okay, if you only did this, you'd still, you'd look more polished to leave the house, I'm going to go in with a Bite Beauty Multi-Stick. This is in a color called Mascarpone. You can use it on your cheeks, eyes, lips. It's a great product. I know it looks really bright, especially underneath these lights, and it is quite a pigmented product. They have lots of other colors if this isn't, your preference. They have lots of other multi-stick colors as well. I like it because if you're looking to do something fast, you want to have the ability for it to last throughout the day, right? And the good thing about these Bite Beauty multi-sticks is that they have good pigmentation, and that means it's going to last throughout the day for you. And that's really what you're looking for, right? If you're going to put this effort in, you want it to be worth your while. I'm going to take my sponge and just settle that all down just by pressing it in. And whatever's left over, on my foundation on this sponge will just help to even it all out, calm it all down. Now I'm going to go in, give my eyelashes a little curl. This is always worth the effort. Just take a couple of seconds to curl your eyelashes. It helps open up the eye immediately. I'm going to apply my mascara. See how we're doing time-wise here? Still got 1.5 minutes. We're doing good. And I'm just going to take my time and apply a layer of mascara just to open up that eye. I have my Q-tips handy if I make a mistake. I see a little boo-boo here. I'm going to get to it. Take one of your Q-tips and just clean off those areas you need to. I'm going to go in and just do another quick layer. really helps to open the eyes. I don't know, I'm a mascara fan. I just think it's a necessary thing throughout the day to have. Now I'm going to go in with my Hourglass highlighting powder. Just give my skin a bit of a glow here. And there we are. We're done. And there you have it. 5 minutes, minimal product, maximum payout. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you next time on Age Perfect Beauty.